Hi, everybody. My social media campaign is in the category of pet care, and I specifically chose dog ownership. So, kind of as an overview, being a pet owner is a huge responsibility and is not one to be taken very lightly. So, my campaign is called Dog Ownership, and it's all the logistics of being a new dog owner and things that you need to know before and after you add a dog to your family, even down to choosing the correct breed for your lifestyle. So, choosing a persona for your campaign is very important so you can target the right audience. My persona is pet owners, specifically new pet owners. They are young adults who are looking for information on what breed of dog to buy or rescue and how to care for that dog. They are obviously animal lovers. So, content creation was a huge part of this campaign. I spent a lot of time thinking about topics for my blogs and then tweeting, doing podcasts, the whole 9 yards. So here's an example post from my blog. This was actually the first post that I put up on my blog. Here's just a screenshot of the first part of it. So choosing the dog breed for your lifestyle, and it goes on to talk about large dog breeds, small dog breeds, kind of just choosing the right dog breed, and that's so important so dogs don't end up in shelters. So let's take a glance at the analytics. So here's a screenshot from one of my tweets. This is a new account that I made a few weeks ago for this project, so it's not a super popular page yet, but I measured the success from my media that I used most, which is Twitter. If you click on the tweets for your profile, like on your profile, you can look at your analytics. This specific tweet had 15 impressions, as you can see in the screenshot. So, kind of final thoughts of the project in class. I have really learned the importance of posting consistently. This has kind of been a theme throughout a lot of my social media classes and is one of the most important things in running social media campaigns. When I started posting consistently on my Twitter through our final project, I noticed that my impressions went way up. And staying relevant with your content, you don't want to post things on your page that is not for your audience. And that also goes along with posting valuable content, something that they can learn from, just things like that. Another really valuable thing that I learned was it's not too difficult to create a podcast. That seemed really like an overwhelming project, but ended up being a not too bad, fun experience, and they are way more popular than I realized.